Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Our recipe today is a delicious and easy chocolate chip cookie recipe with a special chocolatey ingredient added in the end. These cookies are crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Let's get started. I'm going to start out by adding 1 stick of room temperature butter. It's very important for it to be at room temperature so you can whip it up very well. Then add 1 room temperature egg. Then add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Beat well for several minutes until you get a creamy-like mixture. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is what's going to give it the texture of crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Then add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Beat well until all your ingredients are combined. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips and fold the chocolate chips in your dough. And now this is optional, but who doesn't like more chocolate? I'm adding 1/3 cup of Nutella. Gently fold it into your dough, but don't overmix. Next, get an ice cream scoop or a large tablespoon and scoop up your cookies on a plate because we're going to put these in the refrigerator or the freezer to chill. Next, roll them into a ball so they can bake evenly in the oven. Next, I'm going to place my dough either in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or the freezer for about 10 minutes until they just solidify. You can also freeze these for up to 3 months for later use. So I popped mine in the freezer for about 10 minutes. You just want them to solidify just like this, and then you can put it on your baking sheet. And your cookies are ready to bake on 325 degrees until golden brown or about 10 to 15 minutes. What I love about this recipe is that it makes a small batch of cookies. This makes about 20 to 23 cookies, and you can always double on the recipe if you need to. Our cookies are ready, and the house smells amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this easy and delicious recipe. Please don't forget to share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram for more recipes.